Hey friends, I thought I'd show you a little bit of the progress we've made at the new howtowrench.com shop. So come on in for a quick little mini tour. It's still a crazy mess, but we're super excited to just see how much we've accomplished, actually just getting stuff a little more put away. But I thought, what the heck, I'll show you the new office where all the great content's going to be created and a lot of really cool stuff with upcoming How to Wrench certifications. Way cool, so stay tuned. Just kind of just giving you a quick little tour. We got 3,300 square feet, so we've really ramped up where we've been the last few years. And as you all know, we like working on all kinds of motorcycles, and especially my new little toy. I'll tell you about that in the future too. But just kind of starting to get organized. Big shout out to my buddy Keith that came over, one of my old best friends from my childhood. We live in the same town now, came and helped hang all the slap work. If you're a fan of howtowrench.com, you know how much we love hanging tools and organization. So we're super stoked about that. The new space is really going to allow multiple lifts. The new Boss equipment lifts is an exciting announcement we got coming up. So working on getting those set up. This thing is crazy cool. Can't wait to show you more about it. But just the fact that this room in space is going to really allow more traditional classroom style atmosphere where the benches aren't up against the wall, so we could fully get people all the way around them. I'm going to do the same thing. We'll have work benches up here, one for each lift. And then how great is it going to be to take advantage of all these amazing training aids from back in the days of working at the college. I'm really going to dive deep into How to Wrench membership videos, where it's going to be a lot more, you know, the longer length theory videos like we did back when I taught the college, and we didn't care how long they were because they were more about getting, you know, all that information and content. So we'll still do the quick stuff, you know, the tips and tricks and stuff like that, but I can't wait to do all the electrical training. I mentioned earlier doing some How to Wrench certifications to kind of, you know, show that you've gained that knowledge. But this is just a really, really, really cool setup, huh? I hope you're digging it as much as we are. But kind of like to exchange the couch area for tables and chairs in a classroom. That'd be pretty cool. But nice little break room. Gonna be able to just stay put and not have to run around. And then really getting all the restoration fab play area with the vapor honing blaster and obviously drill presses and all the dirty tools, sanding and grinding and welding. I love the fact that I have a dirty room again. This is something I had back in Iowa in my old shop and really been missing. It's so great to keep everything separate. So super, super stoked about just the dedicated workspaces and all that this is going to provide. So that is your quick little couple-minute tour of the new How to Wrench shop, even though it's a long ways to go. We just wanted to take a minute, kind of reflecting on the year to come and say we love having you here and being part of the community. And just hope you're going to have a very happy new year, and wish you all the success personally and professionally in 2020 from your friends over at howtowrench.com. So keep wrenching, my friends. We'll talk to you again soon. Hey, what are you doing? Have you hit that subscribe button, that notification bell? You're going to be missing out on videos and free prizes and raffles we have coming up.